Today we'll be going over installing Ballistic on a JP1014 speaker enclosure to improve the audio quality. In this demonstration, we will show you how adding some Ballistic to your enclosures will reduce harsh bright frequencies, giving you a more warm, welcoming sound for your system. When applying sound matting, it is recommended to use a SS-RLR3 hand tool to ensure complete adhesion to the enclosure. We will be using an IB blade to cut the Ballistic material to the rough shape of the enclosure. In some cases, if you heat the Ballistic material, it will contour to tight shapes a bit easier. Continue to apply the Ballistic material to your enclosure while carefully using a razor blade to trim the area as needed. As you're applying the Ballistic using the roller, make sure you're pushing down evenly and smoothly on the applied materials. Indentations into the material should be even across the entire applied surface. With a few moments and some hand tools, you can instantly improve the sound and performance of your speaker enclosures. For any more information on this product, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volts.